Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to Arif Spoken English. In this video, we are going to talk about traveling. How to you will speak English about traveling in your spoken English course and your IELTS speaking exam. And I think if you listen and watch this video carefully and practice, I think you will be able to a good point in your IELTS speaking exam. So, let's start. First question is, what is traveling? Traveling means goes one place to another or visit different kind of places. Next question is, what is the importance of traveling? It has a several importance in our life. Everybody wants to know the unknown and to see the unseen. A student gets more information through reading books, but his knowledge can be complete through traveling. A man can adjust with different kinds of men and women and culture by traveling. It also helps to close to contact and nature. It helps us to study story, history, geography, life science and many other subjects and so on. Next question is, do you like to travel? Yes, I love to travel and I love to search new place for visit. And I like to meet with new people, and I think it's so much fun for me, but I really enjoy to travel. Do you love to traveling alone or in a group? I like to travel in a group because it's always safe and most affordable, and when I go to travel as a group, we enjoy a lot and we make beautiful memories. What do you like to do when you go to new places? When I go to new places, I like to visit that place. Also, I love to eating and I prefer to take selfie and I like to shopping and talk with new people. And before going to travel, I try to know about the history of that place and so on. What kind of places have you visited in your life? I have visited almost every kind of place in my life where people enjoy their life, where people have a lot of opportunities to express their creativity. Which places are very well known for their educational facilities, etc. With whom do you often spend your holiday? Sometimes I often spend my holidays with my friends Arif at Mirpur Cricket Stadium. It is located in Dhaka city and we enjoy a lot to watch cricket match accompany. Which season do you love to travel? I prefer to travel in winter season because in the winter season the weather and atmosphere remains cold. I feel very good in winter season to travel. When it's cold and soul satisfying, that is the most reason I go to travel in winter season. What is the best season to travel in your country? The best time to travel in my country in Bangladesh of November to February. In this time, the weather and atmosphere remains very cold. In this period, it is cold and dry in our country's rivers. Do you like to travel with your friends or family? Why? I love to travel with my friends because when I go to travel with my friends, I get freedom with my friends and I can share many things with my friends. I can enjoy a lot and I can visit different kind of place and I feel relaxed and I feel comfortable and I feel easy. Could you say your country is a good place for travel to visit? Yes, definitely. Why not? Bangladesh is a good place for travel to visit because it is rich and diverse culture and there are many rivers here like the Podda, the Meghna, the Jamuna, the Brahmaputra have made our soil rich. Overall, I will say you, Allah has made our country full of greens and grains. Which place do you want to visit in future? I want to visit Canada in future. This is my most favorite place because Canada is a beautiful country and also people of this country are very generous and sweet. Where was the last place that you visit? Last time I went to travel Jaflong in Sylhet with my some friends. It was amazing trip and the weather was very great and atmosphere is very great and we have enjoyed a lot from that place. What do you do while traveling? When I go to travel, while traveling, sometimes I like to relax and sometimes I play games, sometimes I watch movie and I talk with another person and I listen to music, I read storybook, sometimes I reading newspaper and sometimes I play games, etc. What did you do after going to travel? After going to travel, I enjoyed a lot and I have taken selfie with my friends and I have visited that place. I have visited the tree garden and I have seen the rivers of beauty and I have played on the beach and we have eaten something in the hotel and so on. Hey guys, today I discussed to you a good topic about traveling and I think it will be very helpful for you to speak English fluently. And if you follow this YouTube channel for speaking English, I think it will be very helpful for you to speak English fluently and you will get a good mark in your IELTS speaking exam. And if you think this video is helpful for you to speak English fluently, so don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel and to share with your friends. If you share it, many people can learn English easily. So see you next class. Take care. Bye bye.